Hi Lena, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself?
I'm pretty well. Thanks for asking.
No problem. So how have you been?
I've been great. What about you?
I've been good. I'm in college right now.
What college do you go to?
I go to LSE.
Do you like it there?
It's okay. It's a really big campus.
Good luck with college.
Thank you very much.
Hi Isabella. How's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm absolutely lovely, thank you.
Everything's been good with you?
I haven't been better. How about yourself?
I started college recently.
Where are you going to college?
I'm going to LSE.
How do you like it so far?
I like it so far. My classes are pretty good right now.
I wish you good luck.
Thanks a lot.
Rock, what's up?
Hi Arya. Nothing much. I'm just hanging out. What's up with you?
It's a good day. I'm feeling fine.
How is your sister?
Oh, fine. Not much has changed.
Well, I have to go. Nice seeing you.
See you later.
Hello, Tom. How are you doing?
I'm well. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I can't complain. Life is treating me well.
That's good to hear.
Good to see you again. I need to go to my doctor's appointment.
Nice seeing you.
See you later. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine.
Thank you for asking.
Do you have a meeting this morning?
Yes, I do. Do you have a meeting as well?
Yes. Well, it was a pleasure seeing you.
Goodbye. Hello, my name is David. It's nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Jenny. It's my pleased to meet you.
I'm sorry. What was your name again?
Tom.
So Tom, what do you do for a living?
I work at the local school teaching English. What do you for a living?
I'm also an English teacher, but I'm currently out of work.
Sorry to hear that. It has been really nice talking to you.
Yes. It was a great pleasure meeting you.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Sure.
Thanks.
My name's Maria. It is nice to meet you.
My name is Mr. Tom. It's nice to meet you too.
Where are you from, Mr. Tom? You sound like you're not from England.
I'm from America. I have been visiting my family in Manchester.
Well, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. How about you?
I'm also an English teacher.
If you don't mind, can we go to a coffee shop?
Yes, we can. But I am feeling comfortable here. We can go another day.
Okay, no problem.
Tomorrow is my day off. Can you give me time then?
Sure. Tomorrow at 4 p.m. I will meet you at the coffee shop on your way home.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.